Induction's still the best form of cooking. It's faster than a professional gas cooktop with a better simmer, it's easier to clean and vent, and is the most child safe. In this video, you'll learn all about the 6 best induction cooktops. You'll see 3 brands you may know from years past, along with 3 newer names. Why the change? Like every other appliance, buying an induction cooktop will be a problem due to availability issues. Let's get started. The best known premium brands are Miele, Thermador, and Wolf for good reasons. Typically they offer the best features and are the most serious about premium appliances like induction. However, you should expect to wait for these brands. Overwhelming demand and kinks in the supply chain have hurt even the best prepared. Miele has produced induction cooktops for many years. Most popular is Miele's flush-mounted cooktop. The unit has a great configuration, 5 cooking zones, allowing various pan sizes to fit on the cooktop. We have a 4-inch round burner to a 9 by 15-inch rectangular burner. Also, it's a power boost setting, like many other induction cooktops. However, with the Miele, 2 of these inductors are used simultaneously on the 9 by 15 burner, providing an incredible 7700 watts of power. It does require a 50 amp connection. Our chef's favorite induction cooktop based on performance is Wolf. The Wolf cooktop features an 11-inch burner that can use up to 3,700 watts of cooking power on the boost setting. The 4 left burners can be bridged or connected in 4 ways to allow larger odd-shaped pots and pans. No other brand offers a 4-element bridge burner. You can simultaneously utilize all the small burners, creating a 17 by 17 cooking surface. It's great for using large pots for lobster or large roasting pans for searing. Miele's induction cooktop has a melt setting on one of the burners for simmering or melting chocolate. Wolf has a full 2-year parts and labor warranty, 3 years with the Miele installation. Also, this unit will require a 50 amp electrical connection. Thermador is an entry-level model, but this high-end Freedom model allows you to put a pan anywhere to maximize cooking space. With this flexible setup, you can use multiple 10-inch pans, a large griddle, or a tabernacle-style pan up to 16 inches long. It has 17 power modes to help dial in the exact temperature. Thermador's cooktop has numerous smart features, including mode setting, sensing your pan movement, and maintaining the same power setting on the next burner. It also has a heat shift setting like a French top. The cooktop features a 2-year warranty and requires a 50 amp connection. Although Wolf, Miele, and Thermador will always be in demand, these newer brands will fill the immediate void. They all have decent features, prices, and availability. You don't have to wait 8 months for delivery. Beko's a newer Turkish brand, but they're widely sold and popular in Europe. Then again, Beko has managed the supply chain better than most. It is simple but good with the burner in the middle and 2 flex units on either side. Every burner is 3,700 watts. In the sea of stainless steel appliances, Paykel stands out with some unique styling. Of course, style is only a matter of opinion. Along with style, you have 2 powerful 5,500 watt burners on this cooktop. Miele is the most power, but Paykel has 2 of the fastest burners on this list. Having these 2 5,500 watt burners means that you can operate the 2 burners at maximum power without sacrificing any heat from the other burners. Paykel offers a free 5-year warranty on their appliances. Over 5-year warranties can be an issue. Independent service companies do not typically repair appliances under warranty due to low reimbursement rates. So you may not pay for service, but you may not find it either. What's so impressive about SKS, Signature Kitchen Suite, is its parent company LG. From reliability to availability, LG has been the best for the same reason. They produce most of their components, so they don't have problematic supply chain issues like other companies. By producing major parts, LG has become the most reliable brand sold at Yale, with a service rate of only 4.4% within the first year versus 9.5% for the industry average. The cooktop specifications are pretty good with a 7,000 watt burner and 3 3,700 watt burners. SKS is Wi-Fi to monitor the burners and sync to an SKS hood through their reliable ThinQ app. Lastly, SKS has a full 3-year warranty. All make compelling arguments for being the best cooktop. Of course, the best features now include availability because you can wait up to 15 months for appliances these days. Wolf is known for its fast heating response. It is the best cooked for odd-shaped pans because of the 4-burner bridge. Miele is the most power, while Thermador has the sensor moving the power when you move the pan. It is undoubtedly the most forward technologically. Do take a chance on a newer brand. Fisher Paykel has decent power and a 5-year warranty. Remember, warranties are great, but only if you can get the unit repaired. SKS is an interesting choice because their parent company is so good. For a price with good features, then Beko should also be considered. In your area, availability will probably cut this list in half. Click the link to download our free induction cooking buying guide. Unfortunately, we all know someone who's been talked into buying the wrong appliance. Don't let that happen to you. Almost 1 million people have found the right answers in a Yale guide. Thanks for watching.